Designing is a time-consuming habit and I love binge-watching TV shows. We get 24 hours a day to live our lives, and 10 of those hours I spend sleeping, 5 hours for traveling, bathing and other chores, and 4 hours for designing. I'm left with 5 hours to watch Stranger Things, and one season takes about 8 hours to finish. So, I want to reduce designing hours and add them to binge watching. In this video, I'll be testing how good the packaging design for a potato chip bread named Dragon Crust is. I'll be designing for 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 60 minutes, and you will say which one you like, or I must quit watching Netflix and focus on improving. So without any further ado, let's get freaky. Okay, we got 1 minute on the clock and our base for designing. First, let's edit the smart object of the mockup. Next, place a red background, then change the font to something sexy. After that, change the background to green, to contrast the background, and change the flavor and weight to white. 30 seconds left. Let's download some potato images and add them here. Here's the final design. Now for the 10 minutes design, I have more time to think, to breathe, and to think about my decisions. So let's go to Google and look for a fire gradient to match the flavor. Next, choose a font that is similar to a source. Use green to contrast it from the background, a green mustard and an orange for the flavor. And add this fire I got from Google. I didn't paint it because I'm designing with a mouse, not a graphic tablet. Then finally, the potato chips. Here's the final image. Now, let's unleash my full potential with 1 hour and more time to think and go eat and take a shit. Here's the base. Let's go to the computer art maker and tell it to make a background that has a waterfall. After seeing this image, something came to me. It felt like my brain had a spark, but we'll come to that later. Next, I told it to make a dragon to represent the dragon that bites the crust. And here's what it came up with. Place the dragon here and change the font to a love. But wait, this doesn't make any sense. Waterfalls, dragons, and green things. Remember when I said I had a spark in the brain? My memory showed me a potato chip and a lava. So I painted the green things with yellow to represent the potato chips, and downloaded this lava image, inverted it, and painted it on the waterfall. The image is not contrasting, so let's add a moonlight color look up. Now it's starting to look sexy, but the yellow paint is not convincing. So let's download the potato image again and place it on the yellow parts. Add a motion blur to make them look like they are falling. It's looking realistic, so let's add a posterized effect to make it look a bit cartoonish. Add spice by making the dragon's eyes glow. Now, what's the point of having dragon without flames? So let's download the flame image and place it here. Let's make the flame match his eyes. Might as well make the flavor blue. Here's the final image. So my fate is in your hands, YouTube. Must I reduce hours from my hobby and add them to binge watching, or I must quit binge watching and focus on leveling up? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe, click the hype, and bye.